Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry, Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. On part 2 of my dick series. I'm not making fun. I'm just telling you what the name is. The name of the tool of the company is Dick. DCK. I will admit, it's gonna be a lot easier to remember Dick. Anyway, this is a reciprocating saw from Dick. Thanks, Richard. Okay, I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna. Let's see if it's easy enough. Ooh. Comes with the usual Dick bag. It's nice. I did a review of a Dick hammer drill recently, and it came with the same bag. Smaller, but nice bag. Good quality. Comes with your instructions, warranty card, an extra blade. A wood blade, I believe. Yeah. With the big serrated edges, it's a wood blade, not a steel blade. This is nice. The shape of this is different from other reciprocating saws. Good rubber grip around the whole thing. The red part is plastic, ABS, but the other parts are molded rubber, which is good grip. Here's your safety switch so that you can't trigger inadvertently. Kind of like a gun. And this thing pivots, as most reciprocating saws do. There's nothing to it. You don't need to read the instructions for it. Here's the charger, obviously, the charger base. And here's a 20-volt lithium ion battery. And this battery does have a gauge meter that tells you exactly how much is in the battery. And it shows 2 bars out of a possible 4 bars. So it could use recharging. This is a 4 amp per hour battery, which is pretty good for a handheld device, you know. Click it on here. Variable speed, you press it a little bit and it goes slow, and you can go fast. Very nice. I'm going to install the blade now. I do everything in front of you guys, so I'm going to show you. And look, what I didn't see before were the white ones, see, because it's like camouflage on the white paper, I couldn't see it. So these are for steel. And you see the smaller, the tinier serrated edges, it's for steel, whereas the black, oh, there's 2 black ones. That's a nice touch to insert so many different blades for you. That's cool. They look exactly the same. So they're just replacement ones. One's for steel or metal or plastic, and one's for wood. I tend to use it for cutting branches and stuff, so I'm gonna use the wood ones for now. Or at least I'll install a wood one. Let's see how easy it is to install. I've done it before to these things, and they make it so easy to do. It's not like the older versions of reciprocating saws, or another word for it is sawzall, right? You would need like a hex thing for a chuck. This thing here is just this. That's it. So you would move this that way, and since you'll be doing it this way, you stick it in the slit, the slot, if you will, and let go. And that's it. That's all it takes to change a blade. Good power. Like I said, variable speed. You can go really slow, and look, it has an LED light here so you can see what you're doing in the dark. And then you press a little bit more. Very nice. It's it feels good in your hand, you know. BL motor. So I've got this weeping willow looking thing in front of my house. And didn't that take care of that bush really easily? Very fast. So I've got a piece of like a 2x4. I'm just going to try it over here. We'll do it laterally here. You want to make sure that this part makes contact with the wood, because the saw will, if you have it like this, it won't saw very well. Holy cow, that is fast. Just pick it up and go, you know? No plugging in cords. Wireless, cordless, portable. Should we try steel now? This is no joke, okay? This is very thick piping, okay? It's not sheet metal pipe. It's very thick. Let's try this. We'll just change the blade real quick. Like I said, you just pull that forward and the blade comes right out. See? And then plug in the new one, let go, and it's on here. Okay, now let's try the steel pipe. Whew. Like I told you, this pipe is no joke. Works great. So I plugged in the charger and let's charge this. So let me take it out. Like I said, there's only 2 bars. When it's red, it's charging. When it turns green, it's finished charging. So this is this is a great item, isn't it? I'll leave a link in the description if you guys would like to check this out. It's really small, brushless, cordless, portable, lightweight, good gripping, pretty powerful. Comes with 4 blades, carrying case. Really a nice tool. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.